Welcome to Creative World. Viewers, in this video I will solve chapter 1 exercise problem number 35. In this scenario we will be using electrical power formula, which is the product of voltage and current, and Telegen's theorem. Telegen's theorem states that power supplied to any circuit is always equal to the power consumed by the elements of that circuit. And if we add these two powers, their result will be 0. We also will be using passive sign convention theory. According to this theory, element with negative power will be considered as power supplier and elements with positive power will be considered as power absorber. First, read the scenario. Find Ix in the network in figure 1.35. This is the figure and we have to calculate the value of Ix. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards the solution. Figure 1.35 is redrawn here, and in this figure we have to calculate the value of Ix. In this network only two parameters are given, voltage and current. So if we use Telegen's theorem, it will be easy to calculate the value of Ix. Before the use of Telegen's theorem, we have to calculate the power of all elements inside this circuit. We will start through element 1. Element 1 have 12 volt across it and the current through it is Ix. And this current is entering from positive terminal and leaving from negative terminal. So according to passive sign convention theory, this current will be taken with positive sign and voltage across it is 12 volt. So the power of element 1 will be 12 multiplied by Ix is equal to 12 Ix watt. Similarly, power of element 2 will be voltage across it 24 volt and current through it 2 ampere. In this case, the current is entering from positive terminal and leaving from negative terminal. So this current will be taken as positive. So the power of element 2 will be 24 multiplied by 2 equal to 48 watt, and this power is being absorbed. For element 3, the voltage across it is 28 volt and current through it is 2 ampere. Again this current is entering from positive terminal, so this current will also taken with positive sign. The power of element 3 will be 28 multiplied by 2 equal to 56 watt, and because of positive sign, the element 3 will be absorbing power of 56 watt. Now calculate the power of voltage source. Voltage across this voltage source is 36 volt and current through it is Ix. In this case, current is entering from negative terminal and leaving from positive terminal. So this current will be taken with minus sign. So the power of voltage source will be minus 36 Ix, and because of minus sign, it will be considered as power is being supplied through this element. Power of current controlled voltage source will be voltage across it and current through it. In this case, the current is entering from negative terminal, so this current will be taken with minus sign, and the voltage across this element is unknown. Their equation is known 1 Ix. So this equation will be put in place of voltage of this element. 1 Ix multiplied by minus 2 equal to minus 2 Ix. Now we will use Telegen's theorem and will place all absorbed and supplied powers inside formula. The formula of Telegen's theorem is the summation of all supplied power plus summation of all consumed powers or absorbed powers equal to 0. Entering the supplied and consumed powers into the equation, supplied powers are indicated with red color and the consumed or absorbed powers are indicated with blue color. Rearranging the equation by separating constants from variables and doing some mathematics, we got the value of Ix is equal to 4 ampere. So this was chapter 1 exercise problem number 35. Thank you. See you in next video.